Hi, this is how you perform a factory reset of the Roborock Q Revo, and as far as I know, most of the newer Roborock robot vacuums. To do this, we're going to need something small and pointy, like a paperclip or in my case, a needle. Then what we want to do is to first open the top of the robot and locate the little reset button, located next to the Wi-Fi indicator light. To then initiate the factory reset process, we need to first push and hold down the home button, the one with the little house, on the top of the robot for about 2 to 3 seconds. While still holding the home button, we then need to use the needle to push on the reset button just one time. We then need to keep holding our finger on the home button until a voice will let us know that the reset process is started.
Restoring factory settings.
The actual reset process takes about 5 minutes to complete, and during this the power button keeps flashing. After the button has stopped flashing, the reset process is complete and it's now safe to either reinstall or pack down the robot depending on the reason you're performing the factory reset. And that's that. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, bye!